Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's try to finish this car today. What we're missing is very little, and we already got all the parts that we need so we can finish the build. This is the side skirt that I need to install right here. Let's move all these cables out of the way. These are the brackets that I have made in carbon fiber, and these are the brackets that I order in aluminum. So I think that that's going to look a lot better. It looks a lot slicker. So we're going to move the carbon fiber out of the way. We're going to install that. We're also going to install the receiver. I also have 4 brand new BSR foams that just arrived this weekend, so we're going to install those also. First thing we're going to do is install the side skirt. The screws on this plate, they're going to go metal on metal, so we're going to apply a little bit of Loctite. Okay, let's check it out. Now let's plug in the receiver. We just have to fix all the wiring here. It's going to be a very messy with the wires being long. I don't want to go through the trouble of cutting them or anything like that. So let's run the antenna wire there. Let's put the tubing in the antenna. Okay. Now that the antenna is installed there, let's put it on there. And here's the little set screw that goes on there so you can hold the antenna. What I want to do is, before passing the cables through, is I want to catch the cable right here so it doesn't when we're doing speed runs, it doesn't catch on the drive shaft. See if we can pass. Yeah. Let's get this little hook here. Okay. It's not going to touch the drive shaft at all. There you go. Put this back. Now we just need to bind the receiver. 4 brand new tires. We're ready to put the body and go run it. Here we are. There you go. Somebody had asked me what tires I was using. There it is.